Greetings from Tripiti Beach. This is a very nice, big and long beach located around 3 kilometers from Limenaria. It's a mix of sand and stones. So this beach is perfect if you're into diving, snorkeling and exploring water depths. Also, it has a lot of space. There is a bar with sunbeds and there is another hotel with sunbeds. And it's quite affordable. There is a huge parking on both sides and also a small cave. I would recommend this beach, but keep in mind that the left part of the beach is not meant for kids, and the right part of the beach has like sand entrance. That's the difference. So if you're coming with kids, you should choose the part which is in front of the blue hotel, not the one on the left side, but on the right side of the beach. If you're interested in diving and snorkeling, I would say this beach is a perfect choice for you because it contains like I would say a small stone canals which you can dive into and explore the wonderful water world. It has a small and big fishes, very interesting landscape for recreative divers. Also, I can see a lot of people using stand-up paddle boards as well. For my stay at Tripiti Beach, I have chosen Plavulius bar. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it well. The food looks very good. I'm gonna share my experience once I try it. And also we have this specific small pot with coffee to lure out the bees from here. Anyway, I have to enjoy my food. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Almost forgot. You should, if you're visiting this beach, visit famous Tripiti cave, which leads you into the sea. So like you can go through the cave there into the sea. Bye.